Hey guys, Jason J here. Today we're gonna talk about Instant Video Ranker. So I'm gonna review this product for you. I'm gonna show you why you really need this now if you're already making YouTube videos. So what is Instant Video Ranker all about? Actually, it's quite easy to understand. It's a software that will rank your video on the first page of YouTube and Google in less than 15 minutes. Quite easy to understand. And you know, if you're already making YouTube videos, how hard it is to be on the first page. Most of the times, if you don't have, tens of thousands of subscribers or viewers, you won't make it to the first page. You will be on the second page, maybe after a month and a half, but at the bottom of the second page, and nobody will see your videos. So I'm gonna show you understand why Instant Video Ranker is a game changer if you are a video maker. So let's check my bonus page. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. So this is my bonus page for Instant Video Ranker. You can find it in the description of this YouTube video. I'm gonna show you the bonuses I got for you today. And after that, I'm gonna, review the sales page for you so you'll see and you know exactly what you will buy. So what are the bonuses for today? If Instant Video Ranker is something you would be interested in, just click on one of these buttons on my bonus page. It will bring you to the sales page. I'm going to show it to you just after. So the first bonus for today, it's lens jacking success with Instant Video Ranker. You know, the best part of Instant Video Ranker is that you will be on the first page, even on the first two videos on YouTube and Google for every subject that you want. So why not use it with affiliate marketing, to make a ton of money? I'm gonna show it to you in these bonuses. The second bonus is how to make $100 per day with free traffic of Instant Video Ranker. Actually, after that, I'm gonna totally show you how you'll be able to make a living with Instant Video Ranker in less than, 15 days after your purchase. The third bonus is a case study of someone who went from broke to 100K. Yeah, a month, not a year, a month. So you will know exactly how to be a great entrepreneur. And the last bonus is, all the bonuses the vendor gave me for you. That's all of them. So the first bonus, you can see them exactly on the sales page, but the first bonus is done for you, keyword research. The other part on SEO, for YouTube and Google is the keyword research, because you want to rank on those keywords. Well, they will do it for you. After that is the checklist of all the ranking requirements. It's a short list, but totally useful, and you need to check it because it's a checklist of 5 to 7 points. If you don't have the 7 points, you won't be the first on YouTube, and that's what you want. And honestly, it's really easy to do, and in less than 5 minutes, you can complete the checklist. The third bonus, don't for your thumbnail. If you're not a designer, doing thumbnails for YouTube is kind of hard. Well, you will have templates. The fourth bonus, over the shoulder case study. You will see exactly how they rank a video in 10 minutes. The bonus number 5, social media marketing. And the last bonus, outworking the expert. I'm gonna show you, if you don't want to do affiliate marketing, you'll be able to sell this new expertise as an SEO expert on platforms as Fiverr. And in this case study, they will show you exactly how they outrank video SEO expert on Fiverr. So this is all the bonuses you're gonna get if you buy one of my buttons on my bonus page. So let's see what Instant Video Ranker is all about. So when you click on one of my yellow buttons on my bonus page, it will bring you to the sales page, this page exactly. So rank your video at the first position in under 15 minutes to drive free traffic to your offer. Simple copy and paste. So what you will get, the software to rank first, step-by-step training guide, and you won't have, you won't need tech skills, design skills, and you will see results under 15 minutes. So that's kind of great and really fast. 15 minutes instead of, a month and a half or probably 2 months. And the key tasks are done for you. That's why that's this fast. The product was just released, so for now it's only $17. So this is exactly what I told you at the beginning. If you're already making YouTube videos, the main purpose of doing this is to get viewers, and probably after that leads. But if you don't rank on the first page in the first like 3 videos, nobody will see your video. So you are doing all this work for nothing. So whatever you use YouTube for, however good your video content is, it doesn't matter what you do or how good you are if no one sees it. That's exactly that. The main purpose is that people see your video. So here you will have some proof of videos that rank at first page, even first position. Most of the time the video you will rank with this software will be on the first 3 videos of YouTube or Google. So yeah, that's kind of fast and powerful. You'll be able to use this software if you want to work in affiliate marketing on your own website, on any video you produce, actually, yeah. And yes, it works in any niche. And as I told you, if you want, there are already a lot of people who are selling this expertise on platforms as Fiverr. So you'll be able to do the same, but you won't have to be an SEO expert. You will have instant video ranker. So you will have more proof, some testimonials. This is what you will get in instant video ranker. Actually, there is even more. All the bonuses I already told you about. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, of course, 100% satisfaction guarantee. So you won't take any risk. For now it's only $17, and you're able to test it if you want. So just grab your copy right now before it's too late, and just test it. You have 30 days. More proof of videos. And here's actually everything you will get, yeah. Instant ranker and all the bonuses, content engine, step-by-step training. Yes, it works in any niche. Done for you, thumbnail templates, plus over, yeah, $400 amazing bonuses. You will have the ranking checklist inside the video creation method. Titles done for you. Titles are really important. Descriptions done for you. Tags done for you. So, you won't have to do anything. Just grab your niche. Done for you keyword research, over-the-shoulder live case study, more views, subscribers, so more leads, and more money, actually. More clicks, more traffic, exactly, more sales. So this is everything you will get when you'll grab your copy for $17 of instant video ranker. And don't forget, if you click on my bonus page in the description of this video, you will get all my bonuses too. So you will be ready, to start making a living with YouTube by probably tonight, Yeah, maybe you will make your first sale today. And if you take, instant video grabber, there will be some options. You won't have to take them, but they can help you. There will be 3 options. You will have the V.I.P edition keyword finder tool, or all you need to start your own agency, and exclusive coaching every month. So I'll let you check this out. And don't forget the 30-day money-back guarantee. Well, yeah, I guess that's it for instant video ranker. I think now you understand how powerful this software is and how easy to use and understand it is. If you're already making YouTube videos, or if you have a business with YouTube, it's a must-have, and it can, jumpstart everything you are doing. So if you are making YouTube videos, just grab your copy before it's too late. Don't forget the 30-day guarantee so you can test it. And if it's not working for you or you don't like it, just get a refund. That's that easy. So I guess that's it for this instant video ranker review. Thank you for watching this review. Don't forget the link of my bonus page in the description of this video. That was just, see ya.